Okay, in example 2, we're going to throw a quadratic inequality into the mix. So we've got two regions to illustrate. Y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 1, and y is less than or equal to x plus 3. So we'll start by drawing y equals x squared plus 1. We can think of this as a translation of one unit in the positive y direction. So the y-intercept will be at 0, 1, and we're going to have a parabola. Next, we need to consider which side of the line to shade. You might be able to spot it fairly easily. If y is bigger than or equal to x squared plus 1, we want above the curve. But if not, you could always choose a point like 0, 0. Testing out 0, 0, we get 0 is bigger than or equal to 0 squared plus 1. Now 0 is not bigger than or equal to 1, which means this is wrong. So 0 is not greater than that, and that means this point isn't in the region we want. We want the region above the curve, so we shade below the line. Next up, we'll draw y is less than or equal to x plus 3. So we've got a y-intercept at 3. When y equals 0, you get x is minus 3. So drawing a line through those gives us this. We want the region where y is less than x plus 3, so we want underneath the line, so shade above the line. Finally, label your region R. So it's not too different to what you did at GCSE. All we've done is extended the topic to include quadratics. So have a go at problem 2 for yourself. Sketch the graphs and then label the region that satisfies both inequalities R. When you've had a go, come back and check your solution. Right, here's my solution then. We've got y is less than or equal to 4 minus x squared. So we have an n-shaped parabola, and when x equals 0, y equals 4. So we're going through the point 0, 4. You might be able to find the roots in your head, but I'll just show some working out. When y equals 0, we get 4 minus x squared, or x squared is 4. So x equals plus or minus 2. So we've got 2 points on the axis at minus 2 and 2, and we need an n-shaped parabola like so. Next up, we need to decide where to shade. So if we choose the point 0, 0, so in this case, we get 0 is less than or equal to 4 minus 0 squared. 0 is less than or equal to 4 is true. So this point is in the region we want, so we shade the other side. Next, we want to draw y is greater than 2x plus 1. So our y-intercept is at 1. When y is 0, we get x is minus a half, and we draw a dotted line through there. And we want when y is greater than that line, so we shade underneath. Finally, don't forget to label your region R.